FMG TV, front line or flat line, from my hood to your hood. Yeah, life is a struggle and pain. I can't sleep, sunny days full of the rain. GLD, please help me to maintain. Why? Cause I don't wanna die if I'm living in vain. Gorilla my plane. As I ride Mississippi, I'm kinda tipsy, so I'm swerving through 2 lanes, dodging Ku Klux Klan, trying to come up, man, taking over the game like Brandon Jennings when it comes to the Bucks, man. I'm taking shots this year, Steph Curry, and my squad is the death and shoot here, no Keith Murray, and we all got our weapons in here, so no worries. To the snakes, better scurry along or get buried. I done lived in this jungle so long that nothing scares me. Single to the game came along, but now I'm married. On my knees playing for no more drama like Blige Mary. And I only fuck with true men, no first name Harry. The type to keep it thorough, shed blood for the streets. Catch a charge and stand tall regardless of the defeat. 7 days out the week, they practice all that they preach. And any knowledge that they earn, they be willing to teach. I'm courtesy of the mafia, the mob, some real bullshit. Forever I'ma ride until his casket flowers tossed in. That mean coffins, shovels, the ground. Until then, I'll be holding it down. So anybody got some hate, speaking now, or forever hold your peace. This is FMG. Listen, anybody got some hate, speaking now, or forever hold your peace. It's FMG. Free Flacco, man, 160th Street. FMG, the label, intersection. Get it right. Shout out to the whole FMG fam, man. Number love from the Doggy Dog. I'm signing off. One love, 6 hugs. Yeah.